Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel Naren Vlogs and Tech, and welcome to another quick unboxing video and an overview video. So this is going to be another important addition to my Interceptor 650, my beautiful Interceptor, my Airavata. Quickly unbox it. I got this from Amazon, just delivered yesterday. So let's open it and we'll reveal it once you see what it is. Yes, so let's put this cover to the side. This has been long awaited on my bike, on I would say any two-wheelers except for the higher end vehicles which come with the built-in tire pressure monitoring system, or as the other alternative Chinese variants. So this is the Bosch tire pressure monitoring system for my Interceptor 650. Look at the packaging. Comes with 3 years warranty, high temperature alerts, high pressure alerts, low pressure alerts, and real-time alerts. Again, the Bosch app has not that great reviews, but again, any day it's a lot better than I would say the Chinese alternatives, because Bosch are leading German brand. I would say yeah, they come with a very great warranty and quality of the product, the sensor which is used, right? Let's quickly go through the specifications. You can pause the screen and have a look. It would help the biker monitor the pressure and temperature of the tire. Again, this runs on Bluetooth low energy technology, Bluetooth LE, so it's connected through Bluetooth to your smartphone and gives you the alerts. Pressure range is from 0 to 100 psi. The measuring units. Again, temperature working range, the operational range is minus 40 degrees to 85 degrees. Accuracy is again plus or minus 1 psi and plus or minus 1 degree centigrade. That's pretty good, because other the Chinese ones which come with the navigation systems and all, right, not the high-end ones I'm talking about, they do have a high range of accuracy, 3, 4 or 5, sometimes 5 difference in the actual pressure measurement. 3 years battery life, because this comes with a fixed battery. The battery cannot be replaced because it's a seal pack which goes inside. This is an internal TPMS sensor. So once the battery goes down, of course we will have to buy a new sensor, but again 3 years is a good amount of time. Yeah, communication range is 100 feet from your sensor of the tire to your smartphone. Pretty good, not a problem at all. Yeah, again, yeah, installation on your phone, install the app, scan the QR code, the authorized service center. Yes, so this has to be done properly. So I'm going to Madhu's Tire Center in Wilson Garden for the installation of this. I've already spoken. They said they would help me with this. Yeah, so it contains 2 sensors, 2 washers, wall nuts and barrel nuts and all of it. And this is for the instruction manual. Yeah, I'm a code manufactured 9th September 2024. It's again almost 1 year old. Okay, should be fine, not a problem. Yeah, so it says okay, Bosch Hosur plant. It's pretty good. Okay, done by a trained mechanic by referring to manual. Yeah, referring to the digital installation and manual video, suitable for all bikes with alloy wheels. Picture is for general use only. Okay, so yeah, this is the sealed pack. Okay, pretty good. Let me just quickly open this. Please do not mind the background noise. Yes. Oh, put you on the pull tab. Okay, let's see. Cool, nice packaging, decent packaging. 2 walls, walnuts. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Yep. Okay, walls, pins, and the sensors. We'll quickly pull this up and see. I don't see any manual inside. Okay, show me digital manual, right? Yeah, the sealed battery is up here. This is for the front wheel. I hope it serves a purpose because it has mixed reviews some places, but again, I'm very much positive looking at the brand Bosch. And the sensor with the sealed battery, scan code, 2 sensors. Yeah, so I'll quickly pack this up in the bag. Front, rear, walls and the barrels. Okay, I'll leave towards the installation center and get it done. I'll show you the process as well as much as possible. Yeah, this is the unboxing and my overview, and I'll show the installation part as well. Yeah, see you soon. Now I'm here at the Madhu's Tire Center to get the TPS sensor installed on both the tires. This is the sensor. I'm waiting for the technician to come here. I'll show you step by step. Checking for any pressure leaks or any tire punctures after the installation. Now they are hopping on the wheel for balancing. This is the balancing equipment. Now they are taking the front wheel for sensor installment and balancing. Now balancing the front wheel, and we'll be adding the appropriate wheels to make it balanced. Ensure the balance will be accordingly they'll add the wheels. They measure the dimensions to the calipers. Yeah, so the finally the installation and balancing is done for both the wheels, and so this is the costing. So because I purchased the sensors from Amazon, so they have installed, they've added the fitment charges here. Stickers of the weight stickers for balancing stickers of 130 grams, and the balancing charge is 847. So they've done a decent job. Without any damage. They did a clean patience, proper installation. We're all happy with the installation, but again I do understand the installation and this charge is on the higher side, but it is what it is without damaging the alloy wheels. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and share it among your friends and family. Any queries, doubts, any feedbacks you have, please do share. Yeah, thank you so much. We'll quickly understand the app interface for the TPMS sensor. So the name itself is Bosch TPMS. It is available both on Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Straightforward, very simple app. My bike TPMS sensors are already set up while we are installing. I scanned their QR codes which is on the rear side of the sensor, and had set up both of them. And the rear tire had a couple of punctures, because of which even if it is repaired, the air is still leaking very slowly, like about 1 to 2 psi per every 1 week or 10 days. But again, it is not it is not that safe, definitely. It gives me a warning whenever I take out my bike. I'll make sure the pressure is set appropriately. It shows the pressure and the temperature. We'll understand how the setup is done. Add vehicle. Again, you can set up what kind of vehicle it is. It's a 2-wheeler or a 4-wheeler. Same app works. Let's install, select our any of the other vehicle. Let's say any vehicle. Let's say Kawasaki. Okay, all right. Okay. Yeah, this is just imaginary vehicle. We can set up the pressure number, what we're looking out for, odometer reading for our reference, and save it. And once we, in the beginning, when we set up the app, when we save it, on the right hand top side, you will also have an option to scan the QR code of that sensor for the front and rear. You can scan it automatically. They will be set up for the particular vehicle. Yeah. And since these sensors run on Bluetooth low energy, so they are always on. Whenever you go near to the proximity of the vehicle, automatically within a few minutes, I mean, like, not too long, 5 minutes or so, automatically, and you move the vehicle even a little bit, within 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, the readings will get up populated and you will get the notification on the app as well. So this is what it is, and I hope you guys have understood the setup as well. Very simple. Yes.